So in the last video, the walls of Jericho had been tumbling down and Jericho had been owned by the Israeli people, and they'd taken all the gold and silver as treasury back into the house of the Lord. Now there was a problem with some of the treasure that was seized. Achan, one of the people from the tribe of Judah, took some of the treasure for himself and hid it in his tent. At first, nobody knew about this, and Joshua sent some spies, spoke to some people, sent some spies up into the land of Ai, because that was the next land that was going to be defeated. Joshua didn't send many men up because the spies had said that there weren't that many men there. The battle commenced, but the people of Israel did not defeat the men of Ai, and the men of Ai killed about 36 men from Israel and chased the others out of their land. Israel had been defeated. Joshua tore his clothes. He couldn't understand what had happened. Why had God left them? The Lord told Joshua to get up. Israel has sinned, said God to Joshua. Some people have taken the devoted treasure, stolen it, and put it among their own belongings. Therefore, I will not allow the people of Israel to win against their enemies because of the sin of one particular person, and that's the sin of Achan. The Lord God showed the people who had been the sinner. Because Achan had transgressed, he would be stoned, put to death. And Joshua and all of Israel took Achan, the son of Zerah, and the silver and the cloak and the bar of gold and his sons and daughters and his oxen and donkeys and sheep and his tent and all that he had. And Joshua said to him, "Why did you bring this trouble on us? Today the Lord will bring trouble on you." And Achan's family and livestock and everything was burned in the fire and stoned. The remains of the family of Achan had a great heap of stones put upon them. And then the Lord's anger stopped. And that place, the Valley of Achan, still has that great heap of stones today. The Lord said to Joshua, "Don't fear, don't be dismayed. Take all the fighting men with you and arise and go back up to Ai. I have given it into your hands, all the city, all the people, and the king of Ai. And you will do in Ai just as you did in Jericho. This time you're going to lay an ambush." At first, Joshua didn't go up with the people. Some of the army was sent ahead of him. Joshua told some of the men to lie in ambush just outside the city. What we're going to do is I'm going to go up to the men of Ai, and as they see us, they will come out from their city and run towards us, and we will flee from them. So we will draw them away from the city. As we draw them away, you rise up and seize the city. When Ai's soldiers were running after Joshua's men that were fleeing, Joshua held up a javelin, and at that point, the men in the ambush knew that they could then enter the city and capture it. And they set the city on fire. When the men of Israel who had been fleeing from the Ai army saw that the city was now captured and in smoke, they turned round and started fighting the men of Ai. The men of Ai were defeated. The people fleeing had turned round and were fighting them, and those men of Israel who set the city on fire, they came out, and they too were fighting. They captured the king of Ai, and he was hung on a tree that evening. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.